Thank you, Ma'am Ellen. And now it is my distinct honor to present to you our keynote speaker, Mr. Jonathan Canlug.
Please take your seats. A pleasant morning, and to all of you, to our dear teachers, proud parents, amazing students, and of course to the whole community who is here with us in this very special celebration. Maghod ang bigat na kinatakon namin. First off, I'd like to congratulate our graduates and of course our proud parents for a job well done in pursuing and achieving the first step to a quality education. 23 years ago, Timbagdoga, hinaan stage kaya before that one. Bukod ang guest speaker, ngayon salutatorian ang pangidag is a valid speech. Namadwani, I'm here to share you my story. How time flies. Napaspas di ako, and as I look back on my journey, I can't help but say, malayo na, pero malayo pa. Nidawi mo, ngayon, nidawi pa. There are so many memories in this school. Back then, wala pa tong forward court na to. Yung graduation namin, ito, na may 12 court, ginalang isamo. Nakapulot. Ngayon, matunin. Dako di kayo, dako di hulong. Wala na nung malang batu. Ito yung school, bukod na lang nun alala kang magtulog, winumubig-big. It was where I first began to dream who I want to be. Ito ang kanunrugin, ang mga piyangay pikor kumaat, ibiyag mutay. And today, I get to stand here and say to all of you, you are starting a new chapter on your own story, and it's going to be amazing. Let me share an inspiring story. One that started with a very simple dream. When I was in the elementary, we had this activity called formal theme writing. Again, nila wala pa ito sa tour. I hope wala pa. Noon mong patulong di bitulumi, yan ay pinhon niya matibiyag ni, I would always write that I wanted to become a priest. Hindi rin tayo itulong ko na formal writing ko, kaya munpadi. My parents would always encourage, telling me that there should be at least one priest in the family. Iluti-luti na mama, te ina, kaya munpadi. Even the lady Lola Gayong Akatan, she would always say, there must be a priest in the family. So, I held on to that dream. Agad, iporpo ang school, tamang padi ang kanon. However, fate had other plans sa baling at agyan ang padi. Instead, I became an educator and eventually an entrepreneur. Nung nituruan o adwani, yung mga pagtokak pe sarili ang business. This year's theme, Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines. Henerasyon ng pagkakaisa kaagapay ng bagong Pilipinas. It speaks about unity for a better and renewed Philippines. Pagkuhaan para barbaro Pilipinas. Unity with your brothers and sisters, with your classmates, with your parents, with the community, and importantly, unity with your dreams. As Dr. Jose Rizal said, ang kabataan ang, yes, pag-asa ng bayan. And that is absolutely true. You, our young graduates, are the hope of the future. Today, some of you receive medals, gifts later, garlands, and others might. While a first honor, second honor, best in sports. However, these things should not stop you from dreaming and believing in yourselves. Let it be your motivation to work even harder and reach even higher. Ma-remember ko, ginagraduate ako grade 6. Kaya itay-itay ni pamanggol ng hakon. Nang gift na ginod na, i-recite na lang. Daka gipod di graduation tuna ko des JX o tipan-onan diye tawadan picture na. Nang hindi di hal ko utok ko. Take photo ni school, tabarin o hanal ko yang kaya kong gumatang yung may pinuhorpon katawan, ay pinuhorpon inatan higit, tapos ay recite ka lang. Yes, that's true. One of you might be dreaming of becoming a doctor, another an engineer, a businessman like you, a police officer, or maybe a priest. Pinuhon mo mong mitro, go. Pinuhon mo mong paling, go. It's a great dream, especially when you're still young. Maya ka mo nung nom-nom, hinay pinuhon ang yakatan, because your dreams are your fuel in taking your first big steps. But don't forget, you are still kids. Uunga kay bay, ngem play, and learn from playing, and study, and learn from studying. I remember when I was in elementary, I was quite a stubborn kid. Did ka nga kaya mang manguhayak ang naman. I got punished. Wait sa lubat. Nauprat di tipa. Nauprat di takle. Tumadog hisango. Anwani rito na takle. Inga na mabreta yun na dinitapag unon. I was called it by my teachers and parents alike. Mabungotan ta. But that's normal. I still remember my teachers. Madam Teresita Velez in grade 1, the late Madam Juanita Bulong in grade 2, Madam Lloyda Bagil at grade 3, Madam Tulo, Madam Helen Ginilig, Sir Danny, and of course our very own Madam Grace Comorca. Even though I was playful, I always gave my best in school. My report card would often say, very talkative na remark si Yakut. Always, every grading, yung iturok na peman, na tarabitag takanun. Back then, I thought it was a bad thing. But now, I use that very trait in my work, and it became my strength. Anak peon, ipapakit inatotot, nandiyaw an usarap pe unong at uwani. However, strict guidance helped shape me. Pinungkurap peman nga punah inainat di mitulong yaang morto. Kung gata tayo makakit, ng diapet peman anon mayat tanadisiplina ta at uwani. Tigon niyo, I'm speaking in front of you. You can do it too, kaya niyo po kaya. As you move forward, challenges will come. Nako, diri ka, you will make mistakes, and that's okay. It's all part of learning. Nan punom-nom-nom mo, nan choices mo, nan pinunmuan maat, they will eventually change. But never give up. Stay focused on your dreams because you've already begun. Why stop now? Go, fly, dream, and be the change this country needs. Next school year, you'll be stepping into high school. Whether in a public or a private school, it will be a new story, a new environment. But wherever you go, take with you the values and lessons you've learned from this school. Be brave, be curious, keep learning, keep dreaming. I'm proud of every single one of you.